What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Dogecoin and Shiba Inu with more of a focus here on SHIB. Of course, I'm a little bit more bullish on SHIB right now because they're just doing more than Dogecoin. I'm not going to say that Dogecoin doesn't have any merit. In fact, Mark Cuban loves Dogecoin. He thinks it has more merit than Cardano right now. And I do think Dogecoin could eventually be a really, really well-established project in the future when they decide to build on top of Dogecoin, right? But right now, SHIB is doing just much, much more with the metaverse. They're doing obviously a game, and they have many other things coming, right? The L2 blockchain and Shibarium, just a lot more things to talk about around Shiba Inu. And of course, we were here early talking about SHIB last year, but Doge and SHIB could look prepared to break out. And we're going to talk about some of the technicals in this video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. So this was 2 hours ago, coming from Crypto Briefing, talking about Doge and SHIB. There are some technical indicators suggesting that both of these cryptocurrencies could soon break out. Now, oftentimes, I will say this, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu tend to run together, meaning when SHIB gets hot, Doge is probably hot, and the vice versa is also true. Now, Doge has surged more than 6% in the last 24 hours. The sudden spike in upward pressure helped it overcome a critical resistance area that it has been up against for quite some time. From a technical perspective, Doge broke out of a symmetrical triangle that overcame the 0.073 resistance level. Currently, Doge is just above that level, as we can see, 0.0732, and up about 3.7% at the time of this recording. Now, if this continues, Dogecoin could surge all the way to 10 cents at the high side. All right, we haven't seen that in a very long time with Doge. In fact, we go out to the 3-month is the last time we were even close, but even then we were below that 10-cent mark back in mid-May. If we do go out to the year, we could see that we were well above it back in April, and even late April, we started trending down. We were trading at about 12 cents. So we're trying to get back up to these levels right in here where Dogecoin was before the first fall or tumble in the crypto market back in May. Now, going back to SHIB, oh, by the way, Dogecoin has to hold that 0.068 level to confirm the optimistic outlook. Now on to SHIB. All right. So SHIB must print a daily candlestick close above 0.013 to enter a potential 44% uptrend toward the 0.4019 level. And again, this has been a pesky level for SHIB to break through. Currently, we're up above it, sitting at the 1263, but this is where we always meet resistance, right up in here, right? This 12.8, we saw it right in here, 12.8, 12.8. There's 3 times just in the last few days, right? Even back in here, look, got up to 12.6, came back down. 12.5, came back down. Way back in here, go all the way back into late June. Got into the 12.9 range, just slipped past the 13 range briefly, but then came back down. We weren't able to hold it. So if we're able to get up above and again, get to this 13 level and hold it, then we could be looking at a 44% uptrend toward that 19 level, which is indicated on this chart right here. Now, it is worth noting that if SHIB were to fail to break through the 13 level, it could face a correction or a retrace back down toward the 10 spot, which we've seen happen a couple different times here in the past couple months. All right, so that's what we're watching for. We saw it really tumble all the way back in here in late July after peaking out just above that 13 range, came all the way back down to the 10.3. And then if we go back into mid-July, we were, hovering around that marker as well, right at that 10 level. So we do have some support down there if we were to tumble. But again, if we can get up above that 13 range here for SHIB and hold it, that would be a sign of a bullish rally to come and the potential for a 44% upswing in the price of Shiba Inu. Of course, all of this hinges on Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Bitcoin currently at 24,000 and some change. Ethereum down below 2,000 right now, but we did breach that 2,000 level. And with, of course, the merge happening next month, a lot of people, I'm starting to listen and take in information from a lot of smarter people than I am. Listen to them talk about where they think the merge is going, and they think Ethereum is going to run pretty hot here ahead of the merge. And again, that $2,200 mark for Ethereum is really big. If we break that, then we could be looking for a nice rally for Ethereum. If we break that and we start running hot, I do think the cryptocurrency market is back. I do. I think we're kind of close to that point. Again, 98% up in the last month is Ethereum. But we do have a lot of things that haven't changed, right? Inflation is better, but it's not great. We still have a war going on. We still have the issues that we had months ago, but crypto could be slowly swinging out of it. And we'll have to see. Of course, we have a big Fed meeting coming up in September. The Ethereum merge is coming up. A lot of things happening at once that we're going to be tracking very, very closely for you. And we'll bring you up to speed on the latest. So that's your latest update here for SHIB and a little bit of Dogecoin mixed in. Both Doge and SHIB could be up for a nice little rally here if these trends continue. Thanks so much for popping in. I appreciate it. And I'll see you all in the next video.